If your team is moving SaaS data into a database, you know the pain. Broken pipelines, schema changes, scripts nobody wants to touch. DBSync Cloud Replication fixes all of it. One platform, zero code, self-healing pipelines. What we will show you today is SaaS data and database replication to other databases and popular data lakes. Here's the reality most IT teams are living with. A SaaS admin adds a new custom field, and your pipeline breaks silently overnight. By morning, analysts are staring at stale data, and nobody knows why. On top of that, you've got multiple scripts, one per object, each written differently, each a unique point of failure. No alerts, no guardrails, no automatic recovery. And underneath it all, a compliance risk from unmanaged scripts with no audit trails and no encryption. That's exactly what DBSync was built to eliminate. DBSync Cloud Replication handles the entire pipeline: extract, schema management, transform, and load from SaaS data into the database. When a new SaaS app custom field appears, DBSync detects it and issues the alter table in the target database automatically. No human in the loop. Setup is point and click. No SQL, no Python, no ETL frameworks. Incremental sync means only the changed records move on each run, and you can schedule to run it frequently or choose real-time CDC options. Let me paint two pictures. Without DBSync, a custom field gets added on Friday. Your pipeline crashes overnight. The team finds out on Monday morning. Someone spends the day writing a patch. The data gap never fully recovers. With DBSync, the same field gets added. DBSync detects the schema change on the next run, issues the alter table automatically, and replication continues, without a single alert, a single script, or a single lost record. DBAs using DBSync say the same thing. They stopped worrying about the pipeline. That's what this platform delivers. Here's how data moves through DBSync. The engine runs 5 stages. Extract from SaaS app via bulk or REST API. Track the last sync timestamp so only changed records move. Evaluate the schema difference and auto-generate any alter table statements needed. Apply type mapping and transformations. Then bulk load into the target database via insert or upsert. Your target database tables stay perfectly in sync, and no existing column is ever removed, so historical data is always preserved. Getting live takes 5 steps and under an hour. Connect SaaS app, 5 minutes. Connect database, 5 minutes. Select your objects from the UI, 10 minutes. Click Update Schema. DBSync creates all the tables in the target database automatically, then run a clean copy for the initial load, in 20 minutes. Finally, set your incremental sync schedule, 5 minutes. That's it. No code written, no infrastructure was stood up. First, let's start by creating a new profile to move data from BusinessCentral to Wasabi. Now the profile is ready. Move ahead and open the profile created. Next, save your BusinessCentral connection after entering all the configuration details. Also, make sure to validate the connection so that everything is connected. Let's move to the Database tab. Let's save the Wasabi configuration details. Further, to ensure everything is working, validate the connection. Let's now head over to the Objects page. We could select one or multiple. We can also refine what gets transferred by including or excluding specific fields to keep data relevant. Sensitive fields can be masked using data masking. This will ensure secure data movement without exposing critical information. Toggle the button on. Select the desired masking type and save the settings. After that, you could select one or multiple objects. For the initial load, we trigger a clean copy, bringing the full dataset into Wasabi. You can check the sync progress like status, duration on the log page. Next, let's open any record on BusinessCentral. Update the name of the record and save the changes to check incremental sync. Finally, select the profile and run a source to DB incremental sync. The updates from the source have been successfully reflected in Wasabi. Let's download the CSV. We will be able to see the latest data reflected here. Take a quick look at the updated data in Notepad. That's how DBSync delivers reliability and speed. The results from DBSync customers are clear. A 70% reduction in manual data entry, a 40% improvement in data accuracy, and teams getting back roughly a quarter of their developer time every year. One customer put it simply, "We stabilized our SaaS app sync, recovered the cost on day one, and redirected our time to higher value work." To see it yourself, visit the DBSync Replication Playground for a live no-download demo, book a walkthrough at mydbsync.com, or explore the full technical docs at docs.mydbsync.com. One pipeline, zero headaches. Your team is sleeping soundly. That's DBSync.